Hello, this is Bill Lawton, Keller Williams, Greenville Upstate Market Center 336, and I'm going to demo for you the Open Home Pro app. Not necessarily the way you would imagine the Open Home Pro app would be used. We're using this app as a way for we're using this for our sign-ins. When people show up for a class, we're having them register on the Open Home Pro app, and we've just kind of customized the screen a little bit to show maybe the class topic, the class heading, a picture of the logo, whatever the case may be. And then we're getting to use that information when it's all said and done, and I'm going to show you how that works. So what you're looking at right now is just the home screen on my iPad, and this does have to run on an iPad. The back end of this product you can pull up on a PC or an iMac or some kind of desktop computer, but to actually use it in the registration process, it needs to be on an iPad. It won't work on an iPhone. So this is my home screen. I'm just going to scroll over to my first set of tiles here, and I've got my real estate folder, which I'm going to open. And you'll see on the second row left-hand side is the Open Home app. So I'm going to click on that. It opens up. And you'll see on the right-hand side, those don't necessarily look like a bunch of open houses. Those are all the classes that we teach or have taught and use this app for folks to register. So I've already set up a class called Demo Open Home Pro. You can see it at the bottom of the screen there. And if I just click on that, now it's going to take me to the launch of this class. And you'll see the couple of icons. You've got a camera there, a calendar there, and a link. So if there was a hyperlink to this class, which I have set up for you, if you want to download this app, you can click on that hyperlink and you'll see it, although you're not going to have it to sign in, but it's openhomepro.com. At any rate, if this was an open house, you could enter the price, what type of house, bedrooms, baths, square footage, describe the property. Well, you could also describe the class instead of the property. And this can be demo of awesome app. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to begin the open house. When the agents come in to attend the class, all they have to do is touch to sign in on the right-hand side there. They touch it. They're asked for their name. They're asked for their email address. Click continue. What's your phone number? That's my phone number, by the way. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Is this your first time through Ignite? Obviously, we've been using this recently for Ignite, so that question's in there. You can remove that question, change that question, make it whatever you want. You can do yes or no. You can do an essay-style answered question, or you can have multiple choice. So yes, this is my first time. What questions would you like to have answered today? How do I get this awesome app? And click on Finish. Thanks for visiting. So now they've gone to the class. Once the class is over, the instructor walks to the back of the room. They just hit that little home button up on the top, has a little house looking thing, and you just click on the home, and now it's going to ask, do you want to end open house? Do you want to add visitor notes? So maybe you had some really great questions from one of the students in the class, or maybe there was something that came up that a particular student brought to your attention. You can add notes to that person. So if I wanted to add visitor notes, so this guy, Bill Lawton, was in the class, and he just had a great question. So now everything's fresh on your mind. You've got this note. You click on Save the Note. The note was added. Go back, and now I can end the open house or end the class. I've just ended it. We're back at the screen. If you'll notice on the left-hand side, I've got listings, all for sale, in contract, sold. The only ones I use right now are all, and then I've got leads, all recent and hot leads. So if I click on recent, I now have Bill Lawton Demo Open Home Pro. I can click on that, and now it's going to show me everybody that was in the class. So this Bill Lawton dude was here. That's his email address and his phone number, the class name and date, and answers to the questions that we asked. So I hope that helps. I hope you can see how that can help you. The beautiful part about this is that when you're done, you can export all of your leads out to an Excel spreadsheet and then import that into your training tracker. So if you're looking for a way to make that training tracker a little bit easier, this has been a way that we've done that, and I hope it helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call 864-444-7006.